Blessed love and respect all my Jamaica Walk by massive, all my Jamaica Walk by members, subscriber, watchers. You don't know that is the pure persons who actually can't be signed in. But I must say it's an incredible feeling to see the modern living and these things coming into Jamaica. You know, I've been having my eyes on these modules. They call them the model home or the pod homes. You know what I mean? Highly sophisticated units made by the Chinese. Massive. These are beautiful. And when I say they are beautiful, they call them the 5G module pods. You know what I mean? And what they are doing with the place is actually to show you a little bit of how you can actually decorate and set up your home. They are fully waterproof. Massive. I'm not talking about water resistant, waterproof, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful model homes. You know what I mean? And I'm telling you, I'm loving it at first sight. You know what I mean? With the glass, the type of material on there. So we're gonna walk through, we're gonna show you exactly what these homes look like inside and out. You know what I mean? So I'm just gonna show you on the outside what it looks like. As you see it, it just looks rich. It just looks beautiful, slick, and everything about it is modern. As you can even see the door on this one, this seems to be like one of the small units. Yeah, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna show you the real look of it. Blessed love, respect. You're the man doing all the garden work. That is it. Welcome, man. Heart of love. So massive. Yeah. So we're gonna walk through, we're gonna try to get as much detail as possible on these houses, the price they are going for, what inside of them entails, you know what I mean, the type of furniture, the style, just pretty much every single thing I'm gonna walk through. So I'm not going to even cut the video because more you hear and see everything as I'm seeing it. Oh, the sprinkler work. So yeah, see sprinkler work, no joke, no doubt. Alright, with the beyond it. So pretty much this is for this one right here. You know what I mean? So big up to the Chinese, them will do some great work in Jamaica. And this is so surprising to know that these lands was wasteland. And to see what is happening with them now, with the businesses, like it's amazing. So definitely we're going to do a walkthrough of all these units. So this is one right here. And the other one is right over here as well. So what I realized is that they have a 1 bedroom and actually 2 bedroom. I'm not sure if they have any 3 bedrooms. So all of them have different style. Look at this style now. You can see that this one is the pod. You know what I mean? Like a capsule. Yeah. Let me knock the material so. Hear that? So it is pretty much, it feels like aluminum, to be honest with you. So let's see. And all of these goes with different prices. Yeah, no joke, no doubt. AC. And this is just judging from the outside because we're gonna go on the inside and we're gonna see what them look like. You know what I mean? Yeah. And we're gonna talk about durability too as well, and how long them house here can stay like this out in the sun. You see me? I don't know, we are Jamaicans, you know, so we have to bear all of them things there in mind. If, say, if you spend a couple million or so on something, how long it will last for? You see me? That's the thing, you know. You want to know, say, if you spend big money, it's supposed to can last a big time. Not true? Yes, man. So, as I said, these are perfect for short-term rentals or maybe long-term rental too. Airbnb would be great. If you have some land in the woods or on a hillside, then you would have great. You see, I love how them set up this one now. When it comes down to the patio type of thing. So these now give you the real idea as to how you can set up them place here and get it going. You see me? Yeah. So pretty much as you can see them block, they look like same like how them do the foundation of a container. You know, people have container homes in Jamaica and the container shop them and them thing there. yeah, you can see say them lay the foundation like that. And maybe enough people don't have to do the foundation like that. You can probably do a real foundation where go right round and you know nothing can go underneath it or stuff like that. Let me just have a look so you can see. This is beautiful. I love this look. This one is my favorite so far. I don't know because from I actually see it, I saw it first on a ad, you know, come up on my Instagram, and I'm like, yo, I really need to go and check out this place. You know what I mean? And see if I can get to see what they really look like. You know, and trust me, it is beautiful, very beautiful. So this is another small one, and this is the bigger unit. This is the bigger unit. So I'm just showing you what it looks like outside before we take a look on the inside. Yeah, lights everywhere and thing. And this is, let me see if this is glass or it's plastic. Oh, this is firm glass. This is glass. This is glass. So what I've learned about with these pods, they are voice control too as well, you know, so the voice can control the curtains and a lot of things with the unit. You see me? And also you can actually change the language settings like your phone inside of these houses. So if you're forward from Russian, you speak Russian, you know what I mean, you can change it to Russian voice. And just like how we are Jamaican, wish you could have changed to patois still, but English. Understand, no joke, no doubt. Beautiful, massive. And as you can see, the AC is actually compact inside there. And as you can see, these ones, you don't know them, put them on the foundation like these, like container shop. So for our tour guide is actually dealing with somebody right now. I actually make them deal with this person before me because mine probably take a while. Yeah, because we are going to go through and we are going to do a full walkthrough tour. And that night, you know, massive, if you pass and look, those strips, as you can see, the strip around it light up. It light up, it give a beautiful look. I say this would be nice on a hillside or up in the bush like an Airbnb cottage for short-term rental or maybe long-term rental too. Who knows? But them is not all that expensive, to be honest with you. I'm not telling no lie. So I'm going to make sure that we get all of the price detail correctly from our tour guide before we start talking about prices. Because I'm honestly not sure upon all of the prices as they go. So let's do this. I love what they did with the patio area. So this can give a lot of us ideas as to how to set them up and make it really nice. See, I love the slide door, which is in glass. I'm gonna actually test the material to see how sturdy the material is for these slide door. You know what I mean? This one not as thick as the railing one around there, but what I realized too, you realize that they have a different lock inside that you can drag across, probably like a steel thing. We're gonna look at that as well to make sure that I'm not tripping, because we'll try to find out everything about them something today. That way all of the massive them, when you buy, you can watch Jamaica walk by and know exactly what are going on. You see me? So yeah, love the patio type of feel that they did with it over here. So far they have 1, 2, 3 and 4 at the moment for showcasing to all my beautiful Jamaica walk by people and the world. So blessings and respect, we're gonna get it off in a short little while because the general I deal with a next guest. So yeah, massive, no joke, no doubt, I'm going to show you exactly what the inside look right now. Let's do this. Yes, massive. So I'm here with the General Kevin.
Yes, Kevin.
Yeah, big up Kevin, and I mean, so he will be our tour guide for today. Him same prefer English name. So let's see with him. He's one of us right now. Even though he's all the way from China, right?
Right.
Blessings and love. So, yeah, miss, what is this?
Oh, this is a swimming pool.
It's a swimming pool.
Yes, the size for it is 33 feet long, 8 feet wide, and almost 5 feet deep. So I can show you.
Yeah, let me see this.
This side will be shallow, and the that side will be deeper. So there you will have a step to go inside.
Okay.
Okay, let me show you.
I love the covering though.
Yes. So when you buy the swimming pool, you will have it.
Oh, when you buy the swimming pool, you will have the cover with it.
You will have the cover with it.
Oh, beautiful.
Yes.
And this swimming pool come with any other house, or you have to buy it separate?
Yes, this is separate.
Oh, this is separate.
And also the deck here, you see?
Oh, very easy to install and uninstall too.
This comes with a jet system. You can also adjust the temperature. That means you
okay.
can get hot water. Yeah.
Cold water and hot water. Really nice. Have the lids. And this side is the deeper side.
Almost 5 feet deep.
Almost 5 feet deep. Wow, it didn't even look it like something this deep was right here. Nice. Nice. And I think when you take off the lid, it looks way more bigger than it actually is.
Oh, well, you know, we also have a smaller one. I think this one is too big for personal use. Yeah, maybe half size. We also have different shape, like a round one, square one.
Yeah, I'm good with this in my home. This is a very good size because I give good exercise. So with this covering, can it be walked on? Can it walk on this cover?
No. It's
not supposed to walk on.
Yeah.
Oh, so whoever bite. Oh, so whoever bite have to make sure you put a sign on there because by looking at it, it looked like it was the floor.
Right.
Yeah, so nice, and I like that it's easy to fold and then you cover it the moment you finish. Show them how it lock back. Like close this side, let them see. As easy as that.
Very easy. See?
And then you strap. A simple click.
Simple.
Yeah, that is it. Mad, simple clip. Beautiful. So how much this swimming pool going for? What's the price on something just like this?
Yeah, you know, we just got it maybe last month. So the price for it, I only have the pre-shipping price.
The pre-shipping price.
FOB price is 30,000 US.
30,000 US.
Right, for this one.
Okay, and this is
smaller one will be cheaper.
yeah. And then this one now, as I say, can adjust the temperature and all of that.
Right.
Nice.
So maybe later I can share with you the brochure, different size of swimming pool and different shape, so you can have a look.
Wonderful.
Okay? I will share you.
Respect you, Kevin.
Okay. So
yes, man.
The cabin room. We call it cabin room.
They call it this one what?
Cabin room.
Cabby?
Yeah.
Cabby room.
Right.
So this is the bigger unit.
Yeah, bigger unit. It's a 2 room.
Two rooms.
Right.
With balcony.
Yeah.
And the balcony.
Right. Let me show you. So you can use a card.
You can use card
to open it, or you can input the password.
All right, let me turn till you put in the password. I don't want them watch the video and come
Yeah, it's okay.
and come on. Oh, it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Or you can change the password easy.
See?
All right. Wow. The first glance as you look at. Oh, so you take off your shoes. So you want me to take off my shoes, too, right?
Please take off your shoes.
Let me take off. You know what kind of shoes is this? Clocks.
Yeah, Jamaican shoes.
So the AC
let me tell you
running.
something. So you will have AC when you purchase this. You will have AC. You will have a projector and a screen to watch movies.
Oh, a projector.
Yeah, and all the cabin also come with a voice control, very intelligent and smart.
Wow.
Yeah, I can show you. 你好，木木。打开所有灯光。打开总开关。See? But no worries.
All right. So tell me.
English. It also supports English.
So what did you say a while ago?
It's like hi Mumu. That means the supplier's name. It's something, some word you activate. Activate the voice control.
Okay, nice. And then you just ask it to turn the lights on.
Right.
And it turns the lights on. I love the LED strip.
So this is the door. These two doors are optional. So if you want it, you can have it. You don't want it, you can make it a glass like this.
Oh.
So it can be open. See?
Okay,
So
nice.
you also have a mesh.
This it's a mesh.
Prevent mosquitoes and insects, and it can also ensure proper ventilation.
Wow, but this is not just a mesh. This is like steel.
Right.
Like it is very firm.
Metal mesh.
Metal mesh.
Yes.
Yeah, it's sturdy.
So same for that one.
And same. I love it with the doors though.
Right.
So massive. This is what it looks like. The floor, very modern floor, because it's like vinyl. It feels like vinyl type of material, you know, which is nice. Does this coffee table come with it?
No, this is it doesn't include any.
Oh, it doesn't include
But if
furniture.
you want it, we can provide some options for you to choose. Yeah. So
Okay.
this is the window.
This is the window.
Also
Wow.
see?
Also mesh.
Yeah, ensure proper ventilation. See?
Beautiful. Very simple too. I love the way it is modern though.
Alright.
Easy pull in, and that's it. And that's it.
Oh,
Nice.
actually, this is a smaller room for this cabin. So you can also add a kitchen here.
Oh, so if you don't want it to be a room, you can turn it into a kitchen.
These are just some basic models. So we
Wow.
support the customization. So like you can add an electric stove and a sink and also a range hood.
All right, and this is
The central AC.
central AC, and it comes with plugs as well.
Right.
How many plugs on this side? Just one?
I think just one, but you can add more if you want.
You can add more.
Right.
Okay. Does adding more come with the price?
Right. Of course. You're welcome.
All right, and these are curtains.
Yeah, curtains.
Oh, curtains. So you can actually can you go right around?
Right. Right.
Oh, right
I can
around.
show you in this way.
All right, cool, nice.
So for this word you can change it into your own name or your company name and all of this.
Okay, nice. So this is like a storage area, like a little
Yeah,
kitchen.
storage.
Anything in there?
Yeah. No.
Oh,
nothing.
just.
So here you can remove this panel and put a small freezer.
Oh, nice, nice. And there,
Here is a bathroom.
loads of plugs.
Here is a bathroom.
This is the bathroom.
Right.
I wasn't expect the bathroom would be so big.
Yeah, it's big, you know.
Nice. Let's look at the bathroom. So you have the wash and basin, the
And
toilet
there's also
over
a
there.
light in the mirror. You can press that button. Yeah, you can press
Oh,
it. See?
oh, the lights.
Right.
Nice. It's very roomy. I can do this because this is where I spend most of my time at home.
Right.
Yeah. Nice.
So I think it's better, you know,
Okay,
put
see.
these cabin rooms into hills or into beaches. You
Yeah.
will have better view.
Oh, and this is the bath.
Yeah, bath. See?
Okay. Nice.
So this
It
is
is
for
big.
air or ventilation. So you see? So this is for heating.
For eating.
Yeah.
Wow. The bathroom is nice. Very spacious. You know, I can dance and wiggle. This can hold 3 persons bathing at the same time. Don't have any ideas now, my people. So 2 would be just fine. Are you alone? Comes with the rack, nice pipe, and smaller one right here. And thing. I love the wall. This feels like, oh, I would have sworn this was like tile, but I love the material. It's neat, installed properly. Nice shower head. Oh, and this is the ventilation up above right here. Nice. Love it. The bathroom is a win for me.
Yes.
Yes, it is. It is.
Right.
Because I wasn't expecting it to be this big, which is great. Nice. And then storage areas as well. See? Very big jar. You can have a lot of stuff you can put in this here. And down here too as well. Oh, this one. Okay, this one. Oh, yeah. Loads of storage. Loads of storage, man. Love it.
So you see the sliding door, you can close it and then ensure your privacy. See?
Yeah. No one can see inside.
Right.
Beautiful. Beautiful. The AC over here is kicking.
Right. So the projector will be here. We will install it here. That is the
Oh.
screen for the projector for you to watch movies.
So the projector will install
Yeah,
right
we
here,
install, yeah.
and then the screen right here will
Right.
come down.
Yeah, let me show you. 你好，木木。关闭幕布。打开幕布。关闭幕布。You can
Wow.
also use the button here.
You can also use the button. Who is gonna use the button when you can talk to the thing? And there the projector screen.
Let me open the
Will
curtain.
come down.
你好，木木。打开窗帘。
Wow. And the curtains are rolling. How cool is that? How cool is that?
你好，木木。关闭幕布。打 打开幕布。
Wow.
So this
So
one also comes with a small balcony.
yeah, I love the balcony.
Yeah, let me show you.
If we have an artist in Jamaica, if he was here, we'd say the balcony. We're going on the balcony.
Oh, okay. So Baba, no worries. So all the glass are double layer, tempered glass. So it's strong enough.
So I was gonna ask about the glass.
Right.
So tempered glass. So
Yeah,
it's shut
double
up.
layer. Yeah.
Tempered layer.
Double layer means two
Double.
layer.
Oh, double.
Double layer.
Yeah. Is it shatterproof?
Right. No.
Oh, so if something hard, little can break? Probably.
Probably, yeah.
I guess anything can break with the right amount of force, right?
Right. So let's open this.
Beautiful. So we're going on the balcony.
You will also have a match. Okay?
Wow! So both doors can open and you will have the mesh going right across. How cool is that? How cool is that? Wow! And it has a key. It has a key you can open and shut. Nice. So, and this is the balcony or the balcony. Wow, nice. Yeah, weather material out here as well. Yeah, rain material. I love the roof. This is what, aluminum? Yeah, aluminum. Beautiful. Very spacious. So when the doors are pulled, it feels even bigger. And you have the projector. The projector.
Yeah, you can put some
Table or chair over here.
Right.
Nice.
Enjoy your afternoon and night, you know.
Jeez. Beautiful.
Feel the wind.
Get some breeze.
Right.
Yeah. Do you have something like this in China?
No.
You probably have a bigger one, eh?
Yeah, maybe we will have, you know.
That is it. So, what's the price on this one?
This one is around 9 million.
9 million.
Let me tell you, let me make it clear. The
Yeah.
9 million includes the cabin room price, ocean freight, and the customer clearance. So you will also have the delivery fees from Jamaican port to your destination. And you will also need to prepare the foundation for it.
Yeah.
So that means some footings. So which
Yeah,
I can show you later. Yeah.
I was looking at the patio and showing them how to lay the foundation.
Right.
This foundation is not new to us, based on the container shops.
Right.
The container shops and some container homes.
Right.
Similar foundations. Really nice. So this will be going for 9 million coming into the country. To come in the country.
Right.
Right, and for you. But delivery fee will be added based on your location and stuff like that. And if you want added accessories, so they have the LED light right around the roof, as you can see. Nice. And also you have lights above as you closed up the doors. So this is the most expensive one.
Right. Also the biggest one currently we have.
This is the biggest one.
Right. Oh, you know, we also have a triangular one. So
triangle.
Yeah, let me show you the
You know, before you go, I wanted to talk to the house again to close the curtains.
You see, we also have a triangular one.
Oh, this is the triangle one.
Right.
All right. Nice. You think I could get one of these books?
Of course, you can.
All right then.
Okay. Later I'll give you.
Nice. So
Okay,
come on.
Repeat after me. Okay, repeat
After you.
你好，木木。You can repeat.
你好，木木。
See? 关闭窗帘。
正在关闭窗帘。
打开窗帘。
正在打开窗帘。
So you can try it. You just say 关闭窗帘。
正在关闭窗帘。
You can see it.
Okay. 窗闭窗. Yeah. I can't.
I'll teach you later. Okay?
Yeah, that's a good one though.
Yeah.
My Kevin is actually teaching me some Chinese. Say it again. I want to try it.
Okay. 你好，木木。你好，木木。
在呢。
关闭窗帘。
正在关闭窗帘。
Oh, 关闭窗帘.
Yeah, it's closing now, so you can
Oh,
say.
it stopped.
Yeah, you can say 打开窗帘 means the curtain will be open. So.
Oh.
See?
And it started moving.
Alright.
Alright, I'm gonna have to let you take me to school later because we're gonna keep telling this thing to stop and start. Alright, close it back up.
Okay. 关闭窗帘。
正在关闭窗帘。
Nice. Love it. So massive, when you come out the shower and if you forgot to close the blind, you just walk out the shower and just talk to the host to close the blinds, and it will close the blinds. And these curtains, you can actually buy and install your own curtains that you like.
Right, of course. Yeah,
Right. Nice. Look at it, all closed up. Super nice.
So this is a furniture, like a door. So later we will put up. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Nice.
next time you come, you will see a better one, fully furnished one.
All right. So this one is the 2-bedroom.
Right.
So we're moving along now.
Yeah. Rest of 3 is all 1 bedroom. So I will show you.
All right. So all the others are 1 bedroom. Alright, we're gonna go by this one now, and yeah, well, massive. Not gonna tell you any lie, I'm loving it. I just love the futuristic look, the futuristic style, and yeah. So let me ask you one question. What if I bought like 2 of them and put them like 2 of this one? Can they join it?
Yeah, you mean
Instead-
you can join it like this. Put some deck in. Yeah.
Okay. So pretty much I'll probably put it side, and probably I would have to figure out a way how to join both of them together.
Yes, of course, we can do that. You just need some proper design.
So we get discount for buying like 1 or 2?
Yeah, if you buy 2, of course, you will enjoy some discounts. Okay, let me show you.
All right.
So this one has both balcony and skylight.
Okay.
Sunroof.
Nice. So this one is the S5. So we went in the S9 a while ago. So we're going in the S5. Beautiful. All of them set up different.
This time, let's try the button. So this is the light strip. See? And
the
also
lights.
ambient light.
Oh, the ambience light is the top one. Beautiful.
So let's open the sunroof for you.
Okay. This one has the sunroof. Wow.
So this is the projector.
So this is the projector that will be installed on the other side as well?
Right.
Nice.
So
Sunroof.
this one is a better choice. You have not only the sunroof and also the small balcony.
Nice.
So many people like this one, you know?
Yeah, I'm loving this one too as well. Sunroof, so you can see the night sky in the night, or if you just want to lie down on your bed and take some sun, you can do that. And it also comes with all the accessories of the other one that we went in a while ago. Balcony, the curtains, the mesh, the slide doors, and glass right around to give it that nice panoramic view, or like a 360 view. You will also get in this one. And also, this would be so nice if there was like this table inside here, and I can just give this one for discounted price for free.
Yes.
And
this one will come with it if you buy this one.
oh yeah, this?
Right.
Oh, this come with it?
Right. You see, it's fixed to the ground. See, you
Oh,
can move
yeah.
it. See? So
Oh.
you will have it if you buy this cabin room.
Nice. And this is the bathroom right here?
Yeah, right here. You can have a look.
Oh. So this one is a little bit more smaller than the other one based on the style. So you have the shower over here. Yeah. And you have this one. There's a hot water tank.
Yeah, water heater.
Water heater.
Yes.
And then you have the toilet here, and some storage up above. All right. And you don't know, IG that look good now, man. We there. And the sink is on the outside. And is the pipe working? Are you not connected?
Yeah, not connected.
Yeah, okay, great. And storage area,
Storage.
and more storage there. And you have the vent. This is a vent or the AC.
This is a venter. So this is the AC. AC will be this part.
Okay, nice.
You see, you will have also, this is the control box for power. See?
So it's like the breaker unit.
Yeah, right. So this is for internet cable.
Internet.
Right, internet cable.
Wonderful, wonderful. Nice. And that's what, smoke detector?
Yeah, smoke detector.
Wonderful.
Fire alarm, you see?
Fire alarm down there. Highly sophisticated.
So the panel is like a sandwich panel. So inside it is some fire-proof foam.
Foam.
Yeah, fire-proof foam.
Fireproof foam.
Right.
Okay, gotcha. Nice. I love the bathroom doors. Very sturdy as well.
Let me close the sunroof. 你好，木木。关闭天窗。
正在关闭天窗。
Nice. And they said it can go in English.
Right. It also supports English.
Wonderful. And that is it. Shut in. And this one is going for how much?
8 million for this one.
8.
Yeah, 8 million.
8 million for this one. All right, let me ask you something about like durability. What's like the durability on the house? Like,
You know, you can last at least 15 to 20 years. You know, this is just like your car. It
Yeah.
requires yearly maintenance.
Yeah.
You know, we will have a specialized team to do it for you.
okay,
So you
nice.
can buy this from us.
So it's like, well, yeah, because you have cars selling for that price.
Right.
Like 8 million, you can get like a car for real.
Right.
Just that you can live in this one.
Yeah,
This would be awesome, like yeah, for a car. 'Cause many persons buying them. So can persons like take loans and stuff to buy this unsecured, or do you guys do?
Currently, we just accept cash and bank transfer. Maybe
Oh,
later.
cash and bank transfer.
Yeah, we'll accept a loan or something.
Or maybe like a mortgage type of thing.
Right.
Yeah, man, look into that. 'Cause so more persons can probably get a chance to can afford something like this. So instead of buying a car for that money, you
Yes.
can just buy a house.
Okay, we will consider about that.
Yeah, and then we can be free to go in the hills and live.
Right.
That is it. So what about installation though? You're the ones who come and do the installation of the property.
Right. So you will come as pieces, and we will go to your site and install.
Yeah, how long does it take to fit up something like this?
You know, if you get the material, you can install it within like 2 weeks. But you know, when you get it from China, you will take like 5 or 6 months from China to here.
Okay.
So if you want, maybe it's better for you to place the order now.
Yeah, place the order real quick.
Right.
That's by the time it reach, you're fully up and ready. You get to do the foundation and do everything like that
Right,
and wait on it.
everything. Yeah, prepare your site first. Then
Wonderful.
we move it. Then we go to your site and we assemble it. Just drop it.
I
On
will-
the foundation.
Will Kevin be there?
Yes, of course. I will be there.
Yeah. So this unit is nice. I like that the moment we stepped in the AC, just start feel cool and nice. And I love that about it. The AC seems very powerful. It feels like about a 18 BTU AC or something there, because it just cools very fast. And all the switches are right here to control the lights,
So this
curtains.
is the control panel for AC. So this is for sunroof, you see? For curtain, for light strip, for ambient light, balcony light, exterior light.
And it's all labeled.
So as I told you, this is like a hotel room. So you use the card, insert the card, you will get power. You take out, the power will
gone.
out. You can also use this card, open just swipe it, open the
door.
door. Right.
Wonderful. And I love the door. Very modern. Very, very modern, I must say. Love it. Love it. So massive, we're gonna sell these houses, man. So instead of buying that expensive car, you can buy something like this to live in. You know what I mean? Yes. Or you can get something like this to make some money off. You understand? Very good investment. See? No joke, no doubt. So we're gonna take a look on the other ones
Yeah.
real quick.
So next one is the round one. Yeah.
The round one. Yeah. Nice. So that's how you just talk to the house and the lights are shut off. And as easy as that. Beautiful.
Let me close this.
Oh yeah. Very easy to close. Boom. That is it. Yeah, so you know me have to put on back. Him call it the Jamaican shoes. So we're going by the pod or the capsule. Yeah. So this is the capsule as I showed you. Let's see what this one looks like. Man.
This one, the inside space is more spacious. So,
Yeah.
and this one comes with a TV.
Wow. Comes with?
TV.
Oh, TV. On the house.
Due to its round shape, you cannot install
A projector.
So that's why it comes with a TV. With a TV.
Wow.
你好，木木。打开天窗。
So this one now has a round panoramic view. Look at it go. And you talk to every single one of the pods. How cool is that?
So this will be your closet.
Wow. This must be so nice when the rain is falling and you can see the rain coming down and
You
stuff.
also enjoy the sky, the star at night.
Yeah. Super nice. This one really gives a very big feel.
Yeah. Beautiful.
And all these comes with this one for storage.
Yeah, you can also make use of this space as a storage or something. But now it's blocked off. So
Nice. Beautiful. And it also can these curtains do the same?
no, because
These are manual because they're round.
This is the window.
And all of them are all mesh. Press the button to release. Nice. Beautiful. Nice. Only thing you don't get with this one is a balcony, but you're not gonna miss it because with this big round glass right here that you can see through, it feels as if you're actually standing on the balcony. Oh my word, this one feels really big. Super nice. And you have your plugs over here. All the plugs over here. Super nice. You get another plug there, which is also great.
你好，木
Plug
木。
over here.
关闭天窗。
Oh, you're shutting it back. Boy, I just love that you can talk to the house and close the blinds and all these beautiful things. And this is the bathroom. You have a nice wash sink here. Your mirror right over here. Yeah. Also, it's a mesh on top of here too as well. And this is the shower.
Yeah, shower.
Very roomy. Even though it has like a semicircle shape. Yeah, I like the faucets too as well. Nice. And then you have the vent. Beautiful. Get a clothes hanger right there. Super nice, man. Very modern. Alright, now I found my favorite stuff. Both of them I realize having my different liking. I love that the toilet has a door by itself.
Yes.
So someone can actually be taking a shower and you're in the toilet doing your thing
Right.
by yourself on your phone chilling, no disturbance. You understand? Nice lights in the roof. Comes with also the fire detector and very roomy. Very nice. You can just put the bed on this side right here.
On this side.
Put the bed right here and you can watch your TV. If you want a bigger TV, you can actually change that TV and put a bigger
Right,
TV.
yeah.
And you're good to go. Super nice. Love it. The other one over there is the same as one over there.
No,
That
it's
house.
different. So I can show you. That one can be your office. So we put a table, tea table in the middle. So you can have a look.
Yeah man, let's go look.
Okay.
Massive, we're showing you a detailed tour of everything. Talk to the house again. Tell it to turn off the lights. Yeah, we let them in a while ago, you know.
你好，木木。关闭氛围灯。Let me see. What's the meaning of this? 关闭射灯。关闭廊灯。
Mad. Yeah, massive. Beautiful. Let's go. We're gonna check out the other unit.
Okay.
The Jamaican shoes. You understand? Beautiful, beautiful. Massive, you know, so we're not tap. From we turn on, we just are showing exactly as me I get to see it. So this is, what you call this one? The capsule?
Yeah, cabin room or capsule room.
Yeah.
So you will also have outside light street. Let me open it.
Yeah. Outside what?
Light street. See?
Oh! Yes, outside light.
Yeah, outside light.
Mad. So in the night, this must be beautiful.
Yeah, here.
Nice.
Let me open this.
Oh yeah, so it have LED lights on the outside. This is a model one, but don't mind the damage up there. So it look like probably on delivery or something, or they were doing something and caused it to damage. Yeah, but these comes with LED lights on the side. Can you see? Yeah, mad. I don't know, but I'm loving them. Me just a see it for can say me can make some money off of this, because definitely you can, once you have a land, you can put on them somewhere nice and Airbnb them and thing. No joke, no doubt. See, even that one has it. LEDs on the outside. Super nice. Alright, and this is the last one.
And this is also the smallest one.
And this is the smallest one. So this, I didn't ask you the price for this one.
This one same, the middle two are basically same, like 8
Oh, middle two, 8 million. Alright. I remember that doesn't include delivery, because based on your location, that will change. Big boss, that is it. Yeah, man. Yeah, well, showcase your houses.
This one can be your office.
This one can be office.
Right.
This is the house.
I know. You see?
Man. Nice. Yeah.
And these lights are more than just a light, it's also a fan. So I can, yeah, you can,
What did you just say?
it's more than just a light, it's also a fan without the blade. So you can feel the breeze.
Let me show you.
You see?
Oh,
Right?
yes. So it's not just a light, it's a fan. This is super cool. This is nice.
So this is for AC.
And the AC vent up there.
你好，木木，
在的，
关闭窗帘。
正在关闭窗帘。
Mad. Blinds are opening. So the thing with this one now, a little bit different design, because
Yeah.
you have way more glass space.
Yeah.
So the view outside is way bigger than the others, because this one seems to have a wall space here and the glass facing this way. This is a house. So this one doesn't come with the slide door to go on any patio. So there's no patio here. Pretty much just view. And you have the windows here. Easily open. And boom! You have natural ventilation, natural breeze. Very simple, very easy. So this door, this door can be used to exit as well.
Right. So this door is optional. If you don't want it, you can make it just like the wall panel.
Okay. Outside.
Outside.
Nice. So this one seems like you can put it against a building,
Right,
and use that door to go in another place.
Of course.
So can you like join a concrete house on that side with it?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
I think we can do it.
Nice. Love the accessories here. I would like some of these say for instance I buy one of those over there. Can I like suggest to get one of these fans in there
Of
with the
course, if
breeze?
you want, I think so. Yeah, we can get it.
Yeah. And pretty much this one has everything like the other unit, just different, a little bit different design. Storage areas as well right here, and the bathroom. Now this bathroom is big. This is huge. You know, all of them have a different style of shower. Or on this way, see, different style of shower, very massive. As you see me step inside it, whole heap of room that you can play with. And you have the storage here as well. This is like a storage rack. You can see easily pull it down, put it back up, and easily done. And you know, you have the light, mirror light, you touch it, and you get a nice ambience light. As you can see, Jamaica walk by in the glass, and the wash and this. Don't mind this. This is just a little panel, because them are the
Oh,
summer.
this is for this.
Yeah, for the vent. Where them are work pan up there. So yeah, and also there's a window. I didn't realize that there was a window for this one. So you get a window for the shower to get additional ventilation, as well as you have the vent above there as well, which is pretty cool. See? And light. This feels like it's magnet. Feels like it's magnet. There's magnet in there. Oh yeah, there it is. For proper seal, so no water can come through it. All of the other doors are magnetic? Oh, only this one?
Yeah, I think only this one.
Okay. Nice. All the switches there. So massive, there you have it. So big up to Kevin for showing us these beautiful futuristic homes. So Kevin, you have a number that we can...
Of course, yeah, I have a Jamaican number. So anyone you want to find out more information about our cabin room, you can call me. My number is 876-476-8297. So call me anytime you want.
Anytime.
Right.
But not 11 o'clock at night and 12 o'clock.
Right. That will be our lunch
Because this
break
is
time.
Jamaica and they will call you, you know.
Okay.
So just ask for Kevin,
Right.
and you can arrange a time for them to come and view the house and make
Right.
purchase and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Is there a website that persons can go on to see additional information, if anything?
There's only we only have our company's website. Actually, we are a construction company, so we know we don't have the website for the cabin rooms.
So they can just pretty much call you, and
Right.
you probably can WhatsApp them a copy of the brochure.
Brochure, yeah.
Yeah.
Brochure for the cabin room and the brochure for the swimming pool.
Brochure for the swimming pool too as well. So let me, yeah. So beautiful, massive.
And
So
also triangular one if you want. So we also sell this triangular
the
one.
triangle one. So triangle one is not on site today, but they are definitely having the triangle ones, which is great. But I love these modern houses. I've been seeing them a while on online, and I always wanted to come and see them. So respect, Kevin. Can hold this back for me so we can. Yeah. So respect. Yeah. So we do it. Hold on. Yeah. All right. Come and teach you this way.
This way?
Right. Yeah. So
Okay.
we do the clean. So you must.
Oh.
Right. So again.
Okay.
Respect Kevin
So
for
it's kind
having
of a
me.
Jamaican way to
Yeah,
continue
man.
each other, right?
That is it.
So-
Our way, boom
okay.
fist.
Yeah. Okay.
That is it. See? And if I was a Rasta man now, you have to do the lion paw.
Oh.
So you put your fingers between, right, and you say,
Oh,
I love, respect Kevin for,
respect.
you don't know, make it thing work.
Okay.
See? So there you go, massive. Jamaica walk by, we're signing out all these beautiful modern homes here by Ferry. So we're out by Ferry, that's 6 Mile. So if you know where Nestle is, you can't lose. Once you come out of Ferry, if you're coming into Kingston, you look on your left hand side and you will see this beautiful house displaying on the left, right beside Nestle, going to 6 Mile. And if you're coming from Kingston, the moment you pass 6 Mile, going on Ferry, you have to go up by the bridge and then you take a right and then another right and come back down this side. Then you will take a left. The place is on your right hand side. You cannot miss it. See? So Art of Love, big up to all my Jamaica Walk By subscribers and supporters. Super appreciate every single one of you. Big up to my General Kevin again. We make sure so the tour went good and nice, and make on a purchase, give him a call. Get on the details. All of my foreign people, all my massive in UK, Canada, you want to buy the house in Jamaica, link Kevin, and Kevin will tell you what to do. See? Art of love, mad respect, no joke, no doubt. That is it.
Bye, guys.
I hope I don't miss anything. I don't think I miss anything. And this one is going for the same price as
Oh, this one will be like 7.6 million.
7.6.
Yeah.
So this is the cheapest of them all.
Cheaper. Also
All right.
the smallest one.
So the smallest and the cheapest one, 7.6 million or so.
Right.
The other one they are selling for like 8 point. Was it 8 point?
Middle two is 8.
Middle two is 8.
Then the two room is around 9 million.
9 million. Alright. So we don't miss anything. We do a complete walkthrough. Mad love, mad respect. Thank you again as we make our way out. And all of them have the same type of mechanism with the card. If you take out the card, the current are all gone. So that is it, massive. One love, blessings, respect. Boom shot. you know, just as I was leaving, he was showing me.
You can choose the how many doors you want, how many windows you want. You can also choose the location.
Oh man.
Or you want to put your doors and the windows.
So he was just showing me these just as I was leaving. So these are pretty much just the container space. So you can use this for office and you can also use this for your house.
Right.
And as he was saying, you can choose how many doors you want on there.
And then we can also add some partition inside to make your toilet, shower,
Yeah.
or something.
Beautiful. Look at it.
It will be more, cheaper choice for you. If you can't afford that one.
If so any massive cannot afford the other ones, you can also try this one too, which is, they call them the container house. You know what I mean? So this one so far only has one door and two windows. You understand? And as he was saying, as Kevin was saying, you can actually add more windows or doors if you like. As easy as that. So, you know, we just had to add this on the video as a blooper or beeper, or what you call it, a blooper. Yeah, really nice. That is it. And also you can add partitions on there as well if you like, to add a bathroom or a kitchen if you like. Let me just knock the material. So see, oh, this one has a foaming on the other side. Oh, okay, nice. That's a code, man. So big up again, my massive art, I love.